Yes, you heard it right. This would probably be the first time in history when India has acted against Russia and captured one of its shadow fleet vessel. I think now we are able to understand what PM Modi meant when he said to Putin that this is not the era of war. We will tell you why this is a very significant move in ending the Russia-Ukraine war. There was a small report in Wall Street Journal confirming information that was originally released on the Indian Navy's Twitter account that was subsequently deleted, which said that Indian Navy has been carrying out raids and capturing shadow vessels in India's exclusive economic zone.
But let's first quickly understand what these shadow vessels are. Shadow vessels are part of shadow fleet or dark fleet. Across the globe, billions of dollars, approximately 1/5 of the global crude oil, is shipped illegally through these shadow vessels. From high-tech signal spoofing to old-school disguise, these shadow vessels employ shadowy tactics to evade international law and sanctions.
Shadow Fleet consists of a network of some 1400 ships, which carries crude for sanctioned countries, mostly Venezuela, Iran, and Russia. Analysts say about 1/5 of the world's oil is shipped by the dark fleet. These tankers have been absolute cash cows for the unknown people.
Firstly, US began crackdown on Venezuelan oil, but now Indian Navy has also joined in. Indian Navy captured 3 shadow vessels in India's exclusive economic zone. These shadow vessels belong to some combination of those 3 sanctioned nations. Now, this becomes really interesting because, as we all know from Modi's warning to Putin, that India has never been happy with Russian attack on Ukraine. This is because due to this war, Russia has become extremely close to China, because of which India has become uncomfortable.
This war is funded by the money Russians were getting by selling oil using the shadow fleet. This money was then paid to the Chinese for supplying the Russians with all the gears they need for the war. But the key thing is they have to pay for it to the Chinese. And if Russia can't pay, then a drone war becomes a war where Russians can't get enough drones, because of which they lose their capacity to attack and start losing territory. Hence, the Indian action on Russian shadow fleet is going to be decisive in ending the Russian-Ukraine war. Stay tuned, we'll be coming up with a full video on this topic.